So we're freeing you up to move in 3 dimensions.
Yeah.
Just picture yourself playing piano now and being confined to this position the whole time you're playing,
Yeah.
even though you're allowed to move left and right.
Yeah, and that might be what's causing the pain. I'll bet it is.
So even a motion like this can help in the middle of a phrase.
Yeah,
Play
so
a
work
measure
it
or
into
two.
the playing of the piece.
Yeah, because here I'll show you what I mean. Raise your arm up and down just to feel what it feels like inside your body. Now imagine yourself raising and lowering your body and feeling the same motions moving. It's the same feeling inside the body. You can make a motion like this feel like it's a motion like that. You can always internalize emotion so that you're not confined to one plane. So let's say, why don't you try this motion for a second, just like a swimming motion. Now, internalize it so I don't even see it happening, but you're still doing it. And you're playing the piano at the same time. Internalize. The motion is going in so many different directions that only part of it comes out onto the keyboard. Okay, when I look at you here, looks like it's all focused there. You're getting better at distributing it in your arms, but can you distribute the top of the body in different directions too?
With that shoulder.
All right, let's pick directions for your, I like this passage, this is a good one to work on. Let's play it again and send your shoulder backwards. We're just going to pick arbitrary directions. Send the shoulder backwards. Good, now let's try that again. This time shed the shoulder upwards. And go up with the shoulder. Now let's go forwards with the shoulder. Send it forwards. Let's try backwards again, because that was the nicest sound. Send it backwards. Send the shoulder this way, that way, this way. Yes.